The diagram represents a plan of the top of a vegetable garden. The rectangular garden will be built against a wall, and the rest of the vegetable garden's boundary will be built using a total of 30 meters of fencing. The width of the garden is given as x meters. Which of the following equations represents the area A of the vegetable garden? The boundary of the garden will be like this. I'm going to show it using red. This is the boundary of the garden in red. So it means the red part there is the one which is 30 meters. So it means this side also, since it's a rectangle, this side is x meters. What will be the length? Let's say L. So we can say x plus L is equal to 30 meters. And then this is 2x, so it means L is equal to 30 minus 2x. This is the length, which is 30 minus 2x. Between the wall and the garden, there's no fencing. Here, between the wall and the garden here, there's no fencing. So the fencing is just 30 meters, and then not including this part where the garden and the wall meet. So this is the length, and then says which of the following equations represents the area of the vegetable garden. So area, remember area is equal to length times width, or length times breadth. So area is equal to the length, which is 30 minus 2x, and then the width, which is x, which is x times 30 minus 2x. And then the area is equal to 30x minus 2x squared. After distributing x there, you get 30x minus 2x squared, which is 4. That's the option there, which is correct. Then the second part says determine the dimensions of the vegetable garden that will ensure maximum area. So it means maximum area here we have to derive. Remember we said that our area is equal to 30x minus 2x squared. We want the dimensions of the vegetable garden that will ensure maximum area. So we have to derive area with respect to x and equate the derivative to 0. So because at the maximum, the derivative is equal to 0. So dA dx is equal to 30 minus 4x. And then at the maximum point, it means this is equal to 0. And then we solve for x. So it means 4x is equal to 30. Then x is equal to 30 over 4, which is like 15 over 2, which is 7.5. So it means the width should be 15 over 2 is a fraction, or 7.5 meters. Then the width will be 7.5 meters. Even this side is going to be 7.5 meters. And then we say that the length is equal to 30 minus 2x, meaning that it should be 30 minus 2 times 7.5, which is 30 minus 15. Then this is 15 meters. The length is 15 meters, and then the width is 7.5 meters.